Hey everyone, it's nerf right here. Today I'm going to be doing a video of the coolest nerf guns. This is not in any specific order. These are just all really cool nerf guns. And like I said, they're not in any specific order. But first off, we have the Star Wars Stormtrooper shotgun. It comes with a barrel attachment and a Star Wars scope. And it also comes, so this Star Wars gun comes with a 12 round white magazine. So you just prime it back. And then put the magazine in, and it can fire. It also has slam fire. It's got a super sweet jam door on the side. And you can look at the dart like so. It's got that little indicator. It's got that little indicator on when you prime it. But, yeah. So like I said, this is not in any specific order, but next one up is the crossbolt. The crossbolt is awesome. Is real bow power. It's a bullpup stringer, 2 awesome jam doors on the side. Comes with this really super sweet 12 round clip. Tactical rail on the bottom. And then you can prime it on the top, like so. Yeah. Next up is the Jolt. The Jolt is super sweet. Hi, Wiggly. So the Jolt is super sweet. It's a handgun. Super powerful. Yeah. Next up is the Nerf Strife. It came with a 6 round clip, magazine, whatever you want to call it. One jam door at the top. Clip system. Came with 6 round mag, barrel extender, stock extender. Don't know why I always get it mixed up. Tactical rail on top, tactical rail on the bottom. It's got a sling point right there and another sling point. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah. But yeah. Yes, clip system. But yeah. I don't care. And you know it. You know it very well. It's the Modulus ECS-10. Now this gun, you can add so many attachments. It's got flip-up iron sight, tactical rail inside, tactical rail on the other side, tactical rail inside, tactical rail on the bottom, and another tactical rail inside. 5 tactical rails, jam door, barrel extender, stock extender, flip-up iron sight. I already told told you guys. And the batteries go in here. It's just awesome. This is so awesome. And, whoa. This comes with the original modulus. Yeah, this comes with the original modulus. It's kind of a bonus because it has another tactical rail on top and another tactical rail on bottom. Yeah. So now let me show you all the combos that comes with it. So this is all the combo stuff that comes with it. It actually comes with a 10-round banana mag. This is a flimsy stock. But yeah, I want to show you guys something really cool. Doesn't that look kind of cool? And then you can just align the target. This thing always gets jammed. Yeah, it always gets jammed. Yeah, it always gets jammed. Always gets jammed. Always gets jammed. Always gets jammed. And then, now this is awesome. This is fully awesome. It's just awesome. Yeah, it's fully awesome. Oh, look at that. 4 box. It's a folding bipod. I'm just kidding. It's not a folding bipod. It's even better. This is my sister's castle. Technically a sniper rifle. But yeah. So basically I didn't only do the coolest Nerf guns. I did a combos video and coolest Nerf guns. So basically 2 videos in one. And tell me in the comments below if you have a Strife, and I'll, well, tell me in the comments below if you have this, and I think I'll tell you why it jams, if you're wondering why it jams. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, this is Mr. Signing off.